The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jack County in north-central Texas, northwestern Parker County in north-central Texas, northern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Possum Kingdom Lake, or 15 miles southeast of Graham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Possum Kingdom Lake around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Grayford around 5:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adel, Joplin, Perrin, Witt, Barton's Chapel, Advance, Oron, Salesville, and Pedenville. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.